Welcome to my show, Interview with Neha, and I'm so excited to first name him. I feel so proud naming his name. I don't know why. It's such a close to my heart. When I, used to call him, I want his interview, so I used to wait. Arey yaar, let me call him again. Let me call him with that vibrations. As always, he gives positive vibes with his songs, with his smile, and with the way he welcomes to everybody. Is none other than proudly. I want to welcome you, Sri Ram Chandra. I really love your Sri Ram. The opening is with such a nice name. Jai Sri Ram. We should say that.
जय श्री राम नेहा जी
Jai
कैसे
Shri
हैं
Ram.
आप?
I'm fine. I mean, बहुत अच्छी welcome करी आपने और I'm feeling more of energy when it comes to seeing you and loved your outfit also.
Thank you.
The Sri Ram name and the outfit. I think the traditional both are going good.
Absolutely. I mean,
So, Sriram, I want to start. First, my question. Nowadays, you're spending more time in Mumbai. What your Hyderabad fans are missing you a lot, I think.
I'm trying to accommodate both Mumbai and Hyderabad because Indian Idol हो right, so I'll have to keep a balance on all over India actually. But ठीक है, I mean I'm shooting for Telugu Indian Idol. I'm hosting Telugu Indian Idol season 4, जो मेरा तीसरा season है, and I'm finding ways to keep in touch with my Telugu audience as well. And apart from that, yeah, so it's going good. अभी भी मैं shoot में break लेके आपसे बात
I
कर रहा
know.
हूँ.
So, are you
Yeah.
missing Hyderabad?
I always miss
Memories.
Hyderabad, and I keep coming. I'm the past 10-15 साल से मैं up and down कर रहा हूँ मुंबई हैदराबाद, and Hyderabad is more home, Mumbai is more work / home, and my parents, my family, extended family is here, so I make it a point. I often come and meet them. I miss my mom's food and all that. So
I know.
travel करते रहता हूँ मैं.
So, Sriram, I just wanted to know. I know when now you're hosting, being a part of Indian Idol Telugu, but it was a tsunami. It was created when it comes to in mind seeing you Indian Idol Hindi. I mean, it was a big platform, and you rocked it so well and made South India proud. Of your name and with your voice. So, how it comes is any good memories? It was a struggle. I wanted to know for all the newcomers who want to be a part of Indian Idol. It's not Telugu. You can cross the boundaries that you have proved. So I want to know what was the struggle when you were just preparing it to being a participating in Indian Idol Hindi.
Yeah, the biggest challenge for me initially was जो अभी ज़्यादा challenge लगता नहीं है, because earlier क्या था कि काफ़ी लोग गए थे साउथ ऑफ इंडिया से पार्टिसिपेट करने इंडियन आइडल में, बट nobody could actually win it. Second position, third position ऐसे करके आ रहे थे. तो the immediate challenge was, first thing is मैं एक पढ़ता हुआ इंजीनियर था. I was still studying and I was in my engineering, and I didn't have anybody in my family who learned music. तो सब जो अंदर का एक कॉल आता है, एक इनर कॉल होता है, उसको मैं फॉलो कर रहा था. एंड म्यूजिक सीखते हुए मैं इंडियन आइडल में पार्टिसिपेट किया था मैंने, बट काफ़ी मतलब आई वाज सिंगिंग कोरस एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैक्स फॉर लोकल म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स हियर. तो वो लोग की टीम से मेरे को सुनने मिला कि अरे क्या है, कौन, किसी को कुछ मिलता नहीं है, उधर जा रहे हो, वहाँ पे एक्सेप्टेड नहीं होते, साउथ इंडियंस को इतना एनकरेज नहीं करते हैं, तुम क्यों इतना टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कोई जॉब वॉब ढूंढ लो यार, बच्चे भी गा रहे हैं, अभी किसी का कोई फ्यूचर का कुछ पता नहीं है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु वर्क विद पीपल, म्यूजिक कंपोजर्स के जो मैनेजर्स होते हैं, जिनके साथ आप कोरस गाने जाते हो, या तो फिर वो डिस्करेजमेंट बहुत मिलता था उस टाइम पे, बट पता नहीं अंदर से कोई ऐसी बहुत ही बड़ा फीलिंग था कि शायद मैं पहला रहूंगा, किसको पता, अभी तुमको क्या पता मेरे बारे में. ये मैं I always take challenges like really very in a positive way, and also criticism in a positive way. So that has always helped me. And then it was like a whole new thing for me because it was not proved earlier that this can happen. I was following a different pathway altogether, never seen before, never experienced before. Gaya tha, and then God was kind, and then people really loved me and my work, and I was the first South Indian guy to win Indian Idol. And then तब से यहाँ से लहर शुरू हो गया लोगों का.
I said tsunami, it's not लहर, it's a tsunami.
नहीं, सुनामी तो हो गया था, फिर उसके बाद फिर लोग शुरू कर दिया लोगों ने उधर जाके पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए.
They got a hope after seeing you.
Then they saw it, and then I'm happy that I'm the flag bearer from South of India for all the South Indians to go and take part in Indian Idol Hindi. And I'm glad that people accepted me, and I'm thankful to everybody who has supported me.
So, I mean, before that also, I think you were singing, before participating, I think you have sung so many songs.
Yeah, I was singing choruses, I was singing tracks, I was singing a few songs in films in Telugu.
Yeah. So, when you were going as a participant, you were already a singer, I must say. So, it was
there's no already a singer. I was hardly 18, 19 years old.
Okay.
And I was just like working towards getting success and you know क्या कर सकते हैं. It was a because I didn't have, like I told you, nobody from my family also.
Did you try to convince, or when you told your family people that I'm going to participate,
I
I'm
was
going to
always-
Bombay, how
I
they?
was always a rebel to start with. My parents are the most sweetest and they have been accommodative to that point. My dad was like, अच्छा ठीक है, देखो हम तो तुम्हें सपोर्ट कर नहीं सकते बिकॉज हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं उस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. तुमको खुद को मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, जो भी है यू विल हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन वेज. बट वी वुड से दैट फिनिश योर इंजीनियरिंग एंड देन गो. उनका एडवाइस ये था कि तुम वो कर भी रहे हो तो आके भाई जॉब कर लो. हम एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली को
I
बिलोंग
know
करते
that
हैं.
this
तुम्हारी
is,
एक बहन है छोटी, उसकी शादी भी करनी है एंड तुम्हें जॉब पैसा तो लाना ही पड़ेगा घर पे. तो ये सब सोच सोच के ना फिर सो इंडियन आइडल वाज माय लास्ट शॉट. मुझे लगा कि मुझे अपने आप को देना चाहिए. दिस इज द लास्ट चांस.
Like you were
अगर मैं
struggling
इंडियन आइडल
financially that time to
No,
go to
absolutely,
Bombay,
my-
stay there.
Oh
then
yeah, I
it
mean,
was a big. It's not easy, right? I wanted.
absolutely not easy. My father is a very decent, very sincere lawyer. Even today, उनको बस सही रास्ता ही जाना होता है. कोई गलत रास्ता उनको पसंद नहीं है. कोई
I can
ऑफर भी
relate it.
करता
My
है,
father is also a lawyer.
कोई ऑफर करते भी हैं तो वो
Yeah.
मना कर देते हैं. बोलते हैं भाई नहीं चाहिए हमको, हमको खुशी चाहिए, शांति चाहिए लाइफ में, ये सब नहीं चाहिए. तो इस मामले में आप ज्यादा आप पैसे नहीं बना पाते हो.
Exactly. The
तो
honesty.
जितना है वो कंटेंट है उनमें. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो couldn't demand for too much because it was my own thought process. तो जो भी बेसिक मुझे करने थे, देने थे, उन्होंने सब मुझे परोसा उन सब चीज़ों से. तो इनिशियल पैसे जाके वहाँ पे रहने के, बस की टिकट हो या
Yeah.
ट्रेन की टिकट हो, वो
Struggling.
सब तो वो देते ही थे.
Staying, everything.
या
It's not an easy city to stay.
Absolutely not.
Like Hyderabad.
No, Hyderabad is also not easy, but
But
yeah.
Bombay is more harder.
No, it is tougher. It is tougher, especially when you're not local from there. You don't speak that language. मेरे को मतलब I was at least lucky enough कि मैं थोड़ी हिंदी बोल लेता था उस टाइम से.
So well now.
अभी वो और भी बेटर हो गया
Yeah,
है
because
पिछले
you're
10
staying
साल
in
से.
Bombay and meeting you have must be
Yeah.
having friends. Yeah.
So I'm glad that my parents also supported and my family also supported. But there were times when you have to stand up for yourself, and even though you don't see a goal or even though you don't see a destination, you'll have to stand up for yourself and say कि मैं शायद कर पाऊंगा. And that is what I always stood up for myself. That is one thing that I always give it to myself. That last but not the least, I thank myself. जैसे कोई
Yeah.
speech बोलते हैं.
True, true.
So I
You
would
are an
definitely want
inspiration,
to
man.
thank myself to stand up for myself and then fight for everything that I wanted. And I'm glad that it's going.
But who's your role model? You've been always loving and hearing their songs from your childhood, and
It's been different people at different point. For inspiration, like when I went to my music college, मेरे गुरुजी हैदराबाद सिस्टर्स, यहाँ पे मैं कर्नाटिक सीखा था 5 साल. एंड उनमें से हरिप्रिया मैम एंड ललिता मैम दोनों मेरे फर्स्ट इंस्पिरेशंस हैं. ऑन स्टेज जब मैं उनको देखने गया था एक कर्नाटिक कॉन्सर्ट में, तो जितने फील से वो गा रहे थे वो फील मेरे दिल तक पहुंच रहा था. तो वो फील का इंस्पिरेशन मुझे मेरे गुरुजी से मिला. एंड जैसे स्किल की बात हो तो शंकर महादेवन जी उनको बहुत पसंद.
he was also engineer. I interviewed him so much. Why all engineers are singers? I always keep asking.
इंडियन आइडल में मुझे उनसे भी मिलने का मौका मिला. उनका गाया हुआ मैंने ब्रेथलेस भी गाया था, जो बहुत ही पॉपुलर हो गया था. बट आई मीन इट्स
He also got shocked after hearing that. We have seen his face.
ये तो खैर काफी पुरानी स्टोरी हो गई, अभी 10-15 साल हो गए. बट आफ्टर दैट लाइफ हैज टेकन अ लॉट ऑफ टर्न्स एंड ट्विस्ट्स. लाइक बॉलीवुड में मैंने गाना शुरू किया. माय फर्स्ट हिट सॉन्ग वाज बलमा फ्रॉम खिलाड़ी 786.
I was coming to that. Yes.
थैंक्स टू हिमेश जी. उसके बाद फिर प्रीतम दा ने मेरे को गाना दिया सुभान अल्लाह. एंड देन द जर्नी स्टार्टेड ऑल टुगेदर. And dancing and acting and hosting, been like
everything. You're a superstar, man, for us.
I love doing what I'm doing. So
when you got the offer of hosting, like now you're doing it in Indian Idol, like how takes to you back, like when you hosted first in your life?
2021 बिग बॉस तेलुगु में मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था. उसके
Yes.
बाहर आने के बाद इंडियन आइडल तेलुगु सीजन 1 स्टार्ट हो रहा था. सो द मेकर्स लाइक अल्लू अरविंद सर एंड आहा, जो प्लेटफॉर्म है जहाँ पे वो टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है, फ्रीमैंटल, a lot of people, Ujjwal, Mahavir, all these people had reached out to me who were people who were part of Sony and Fremantle back in 2010. वो नया सीजन कर रहे थे 2021 में. 11 साल बाद they were doing the first season of the regional Telugu Indian Idol. So they reached out कि I think it will be a good choice कि you should come and host.
And you were okay with that? You were ready?
It looked nice, and then of course I'm a flag bearer of Indian Idol from the South India.
Yeah.
साउथ ऑफ इंडिया सो व्हाई नॉट आई मीन अगर मेरे स्टेट में इंडियन आइडल शुरू हो रहा है, अगर मुझे पूछा जा रहा है कि आप होस्ट करो, तो आई थॉट या इट्स अ गुड कॉल, एंड देन पीपल लव्ड इट, एंड देन आई डिड 3 सीजन, दिस इज द थर्ड सीजन दैट आई एम होस्टिंग, so I'm glad and happy.
So what are the sweet memories of Bigg Boss? Now Bigg Boss also going on. I mean,
Bigg
after
Boss
that
Hindi is
things-
going on. I was supposed to go this year but जा नहीं पाया, but देखना पड़ेगा.
No, और तेलुगु में भी बहुत धमाका. You have done a lot of धमाका.
Yeah.
So as you know, Telugu Bigg Boss is also going on. Do you? I mean, after when you came out, after that, are you following up, or whom you like the most? Or you got
I've
the time
not
because you must
watched
be
the game yet, but I know that they are really good players this time as well. Sumant जो actor हैं, वो जो कॉमेडी करते हैं, उनकी मूवीज काफी देखे हैं मैंने, और फिर इमैनुअल जो है वो कॉमेडी स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी करते हैं, and a few people I know.
So after that, after when your Bigg Boss happened, after that, did you follow all the episodes? Or
No,
like
I
every
didn't.
year?
Sadly, I didn't follow all the episodes. But yeah, I mean, every year it is somebody or the other's time to rise. And Telugu Bigg Boss or Hindi Bigg Boss as a platform itself has made artists really people very closer to audiences and their hearts.
What are the toughest things you faced when you were doing Bigg Boss?
The toughest thing that I faced was definitely trying to come back from a big fight with your housemates. उसके लिए मुझे जिंदगी में मैंने कभी मेडिटेशन नहीं किया था. My parents have always been telling me, देखो मेडिटेशन करना चाहिए, the kind of feel you are in, the kind of stress that you go through. But 2021 तक ये बात मुझे नहीं समझ आई. उधर इतना केओस चल रहा था कि मैं खुद ही मेडिटेट करना शुरू कर दिया. सुबह उठ के मैं 10-15 मिनट में सोचता था कि मैं कोई बीच पे हूँ, ये सब मेरे हैं नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे नहीं हूँ, मैं बीच पे हूँ, और फिर मैं सब न्यूट्रल होके वापस मैं मेडिटेशन कर रहा था, न्यूट्रल होके आता था बाहर, और फिर वर्कआउट करके थोड़ा मैं अपने आप को बैलेंस करता था वैसे. So yeah, I mean, it's a toll if you don't know how to control yourself, and if you don't have enough mental power, then you.
And after that, people who were going, they called you and wanted to advise. We are going for it. Any advice? And your near friends who have gone there. Or you advise them, भैया ये मत करना, ऐसा करना, or tip for a game.
नहीं, पर मैंने गीता को पूछा था. मैंने कभी बिग बॉस नहीं देखा था.
Yeah, you've never seen a Bigg
So when
Boss.
I was asked, I was काफी टाइम से लोग पूछ रहे थे मुझे रीजनली, एंड अ कपल ऑफ टाइम्स नेशनल बिग बॉस ने भी पूछा था, पर उस टाइम पे मेरे को क्लैरिटी नहीं थी कि जाना चाहिए नहीं जाना चाहिए, विल इट सूट मी और नो. बट 2021 आई फेल्ट कि जाना चाहिए, एक बारी हाय हेलो बोल के आते हैं लोगों को. तो आई रीच्ड आउट टू अ कपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, सिंगर फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन, गीता माधुरी, who's one of the judges of
Yeah,
Indian Idol now. I spoke to Kalpanaka, who's another singer from the Telugu fraternity. A couple of them I spoke to, and then they told me that this is, but भाई अंदर जाके कुछ और ही होता है, क्योंकि उनके circumstances और situations अलग हैं. यहाँ पे contestants अलग है, आपके situations अलग है, आपके games अलग हैं. So yeah, I mean, they also guided me saying that अच्छा ये करना, ध्यान रखना, but अंदर जाके अपना ही करना पड़ता है.
Exactly. You have to be a
Just
self-defense.
act according to the situation that is.
But now Hindi, when they approached you, why did you not able to make it?
Not able to make it. I mean, काफी मेरे commitments थे पहले के भी, जैसे इंडियन आइडल था, यूएस के 2 शो हैं जो मैं करके आया था. अभी 13th को यूएस का एक शो था जिसका P3 फाइलिंग हो चुका था काफी टाइम से. तो ये थोड़ी सी चीजें मैंने उठाए रखे थे जो मैं मना नहीं कर सकता था. And then it would have been a breach of contract if I had said no to these people already that I have said yes to. तो इसलिए मैं ये साल मुझे लगा कमिटमेंट सारे
So
पूरे कर
maybe
लूंगा.
next
और
year we can see you.
hopefully, let's see.
But you are interested to go for Hindi Bigg Boss if it's
Whatever opportunity I get closer, that takes me closer to the people, and to people who are my fans, who are looking up for me in form of music or in form of Bigg Boss or dancing or shows, anything,
You'll
acting,
kill it.
hosting, सब करने के लिए मैं तो तैयार हूँ.
Okay.
So I just keep looking for opportunities to get closer to their hearts.
So are you waiting to give a background singer, like for any big actor you're waiting, because all big movies are coming up and you are busy in Bombay giving big hit songs in Bollywood.
देखो अभी तक मैंने रणबीर कपूर के लिए गाया है सुभान अल्लाह,
That's what
अक्षय
I'm
कुमार
saying.
के लिए
So all
मैंने
big Bollywood you have
बलमा
done.
गाया, फिर सलमान भाई के लिए मैंने अल्लाह दुहाई गाया. रिसेंटली चंदू चैंपियन में मैंने कार्तिक आर्यन के लिए सरफिरा गाया था. डेफिनेटली आई एम दिस ईयर
Now Tollywood.
मार्किंग
yeah. I mean,
टॉलीवुड में
this
तो ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव बीन डूइंग लाइक पवन
Yeah.
कल्याण जी के लिए गाया है. बट डेफिनेटली इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन सॉन्ग, यू हैव टू कीप सिंगिंग. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉर गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज no matter where they are from. from movies, and also this year I'm starting an independent whole wing of independent music. अभी मैंने एक पंजाबी गाना shoot किया.
Oh.
And then I have a couple of more Punjabi songs, there are a couple of Hindi, there are a couple of Telugu songs. So independent music is what I want to concentrate on from this year onwards.
And are you watching Telugu movies? And now it's in Hindi now also, like the favorite ones.
Yeah, I mean now it's all pan India and
Yeah.
everything is all pan India.
So your latest favorite? You want to?
I'm looking forward to watch OG.
Yeah, we are all waiting for
Yeah,
that.
Pawan Kalyan sir
Hope you
have
would
been a
have
great.
sung there.
Taman भैया पता नहीं कब गवाएंगे. गवाएंगे
What
तो
about
गाऊंगा.
Raja Sahab? I don't know. Raja Sahab also coming up. This
Yeah,
movie.
Raja Saab is also coming up. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking for more good opportunities from the Telugu fraternity as well. And yeah, like last year was my first Filmfare that I won for this song called O Rendu Prema Meghalila from Baby. So more such opportunities is what I'm looking for, and definitely they are also reaching out to me now.
So I'll give you a small musical rapid fire. It's a very interesting one. So I'll give you a situation. It's you can sing Hindi also, your Bollywood and Tollywood, your songs or your favorite ones. But I know in this situation your songs will be super. You're happy.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
तेरी जवानी जलता शरारा आया मैं आया ये ज्वाला बुझाने रे ओ बलमा.
You're feeling sad.
Feeling sad. గెలుపు తలుపులే తీసే ఆకాశమే నేడు నా కోసమే.
You're feeling romantic.
सुभान अल्लाह जो हो रहा है पहली दफा है वल्लाह ऐसा हुआ.
Nervous.
हाले दिल मेरा पूछो ना सनम आपके इश्क की सरगोशी में डूबा है ये आलम.
हंगामा करने का मन कर रहा है. You're feeling like you want to just do an hangama.
सर फिरा दिल मेरा अब रुकेगा कहाँ सरफरोशी का इरादा है अब झुकेगा कहाँ सर फिरा.
Wow, marriage.
अल्लाह दुहाई है अब तो तबाही है मुश्किल जुदाई है आ तेरे प्यार में.
Oh my God, I mean, I loved it, Sriram, the way you have connected with the songs and situations. I was thinking, okay, he will get confused or he will take time. We were just so fast. What love means for you?
Love means everything. Yeah, I mean, love is a very important factor of life.
Yes.
What I've understood over a period of time is love comes in different forms, different packages. माँ बाप का एक प्यार होता है, बहन का एक प्यार अलग होता है.
Girlfriend का भी तो होता है.
वही तो, I'm coming to that.
Yeah.
गर्लफ्रेंड का एक प्यार होता है, दोस्तों का एक प्यार होता है, बट सब प्यार अलग है.
I know.
तो मैं समझता था कि प्यार एक ही चीज है, जो एक के साथ आप प्यार करते हो उसका हर सिचुएशन में लेन देन एक जैसा होता है, बट अलग है. तो आई एम स्टिल डिकोडिंग द गर्लफ्रेंड एंड लाइफ पार्टनर वाला प्यार. I'm hoping I'll get there.
There was a
soon.
confusion. Are you married or not? There was no
No, I'm
news
still-
about your.
There's no news because there's no news that I've given any
You're
news.
still single.
कोई है ही नहीं, मैं single हूँ.
Don't tell me.
Yeah, I am single, and then I'm trying to seek. and
You
I'm-
didn't have breakups?
Oh, a lot,
So many.
because of bad, no, wrong situations or wrong time, wrong with the right people, wrong time, wrong people, right time. ये बहुत चलता रहा, but I'm hoping everything falls in place. very
And
soon.
are you ready to mingle?
Absolutely, I am ready to mingle.
Yeah, Bollywood. When you were getting your first song, all the actors, did you like they complimented you, or after a song that was a close compliment you got it? And I mean, your favorite songs of Bollywood.
I never got to meet any actors after I sang for them because हमारा music director वो पूरा fraternity अलग होता है. कभी मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला, but जिस पवन कल्याण जी से एक बारी मैं स्टेज पे across the stage मैंने बात किया कि ये गाना मैंने आपके लिए गाया and all, and he was happy to hear that. And I never got to meet them in person, but yeah, I definitely want to meet them in
So,
person.
would you like to?
Ranbir
Yeah.
Kapoor I actually met during what was that latest film with Shraddha Kapoor that he did? तू झूठी मैं मक्कार.
Okay.
उसके promotions में रणबीर आए थे कोई दिल्ली वाले शो में, तो उसमें मैंने he sang Subhanallah along with me, and then he loved the song and I was very happy that I sang it for him. तो बस इतना ही.
Do you want to give any message to Pawan Kalyan Garu, as all the hype is there of OG and
Absolutely,
your favorite song?
I've been a hardcore fan of Pawan Kalyan Garu right from his Toli Prema and Khushi days. And sir, I would love to meet you personally. I've been trying to meet you for the past 10 years. मैंने एक application भी डाला है.
Now he's a politician also.
Yeah, and मेरे को बोला गया था कि एक ऑफिशियल मेल लिख के भेजो, वो भी मैंने भेजा है. And I would love to meet him personally and spend 5 minutes of his time and want to talk to him and then sing for all his movies regularly. So
One song you can dedicate him.
ఎటువైపు వెళుతున్నా వెలుగుల్ని చూస్తున్నా మెరిసావే రంగుల్లోనా దారులన్నీ నాతో పాటుగా ఊయలూగి పాటే పాడగా నన్ను వీడి కదలదు కాలముక క్షణమైనా గెలుపు తలుపులే తీసే ఆకాశమే నేడు నా కోసమే.
Let's end up the interview here, and we wanted that you should come back again and again and give more
Absolutely,
series,
Neha.
because to discover you always, because you'll be singing more big songs, you know, in Bollywood and Tollywood. So एक अपने fans के लिए जो upcoming कुछ song is coming up, your Bollywood
नहीं, कुछ
upcoming
नहीं,
projects you
like,
can talk about.
Definitely I'm doing a lot of independent music like I said, and पंजाबी गाने shoot मैंने अभी किया है. रांझा एक गाना आपके सामने बहुत ही जल्द आने वाला है. And apart from that, yeah, Telugu के सारे जो fans है वो Telugu Indian Idol देख ही रहे हैं.
A last message for all your fans.
I'd like to say hi, hello to all the fans. This is Sriram Chandra, and thank you so much for being so supportive all these years. And yeah, keep rooting out for me, keep supporting in whatever I do, because everything that I do ultimately is to, you know, stay in touch with you guys and get closer to you
An
guys.
Indian Idol. Thank you so much for this good interview. For more updates, keep watching. Till then, goodbye.